I want to fold the biggest, most stunning modular origami out there right now. I don't really have a motive, I just want to. Leave me alone. The rules of regular origami: no cuts, no tape, no glue, just folded squares of paper. Modular or unit origami connects several pieces together like a puzzle. I really enjoy folding these tricky Kasudama spheres in particular. Modular origami is a battle of precision and gravity and friction and paper. Today I will be experimenting with bigger paper as an added challenge. I'll be folding a classic sonobe unit, the sinter model, and the jitterbug model.
Hello! Today I will be assembling a 30-unit piece of modular origami called the sonobe. The sonobe unit is pretty much the backbone of modular origami as a whole. It's very secure once it's put together, and it's easy to fold. I'm sorted by colors here. This is not like my ideal color scheme, but this is pretty much just the paper I had left over from the Ramba Cube octahedra. There's the first piece.
Let's just keep it moving.
I assembled maybe like 5 pieces, but I've not put the whole thing together, so I'm going to be seeing it for the first time. I'm very excited. Okay. Okay, just pull them over, I guess.
So this should be like orange.
My priorities while putting this together is color distribution and not ripping the pieces. Oh, yellow over here. I don't anticipate there being any drama whatsoever with this. This is just going to come together beautifully, unless I rip a piece. Okay, we're closing in on the end here. Oh my god, I think we're gonna get it without the colors touching. Oh no, I didn't realize there was 3 pieces of purple left. Well, that sucks. Okay. I was like, it's going too well. Where else can I squeeze in a purple? Can I switch this one orange piece out? I think I can. Oh, I hope so. All right, I'm gonna take this orange piece out here. Okay, that's fine. I was like, it doesn't look like I have enough pieces. There's a bunch of purple stacked on each other. Oh no! Now 2 orange pieces are gonna touch. Okay, last piece. I'm putting the last piece together here. People, it looks better on camera than it does in person. Today I am going to be assembling another jumbo piece of modular origami. This is the sinter model. It's by a modular origami designer by the name of Xander Perro. They invented this design in like 2017, like within the last 10 years. A lot of modular origami is really old at this point, like 50 years old. The instructions for this one is up on their website. I've made this model before out of sticky notes, which works really well. I've made it out of printer paper, which was cut down to 8.5 by 8.5 inch squares. When fully assembled, it's a little bit floppy. It has a lot of motion, but it's really striking visually. The material that I used for these pieces was cardstock. It's 12 by 12 inch pieces of cardstock. When I put this together with printer paper, it was really shaky and wobbly. It was kind of cool. Like, I didn't mind. I am a little bit worried that the paper is going to be so heavy that it's all going to just fall over. There's a chance it might not work, but I'm pretty sure it will. So I'm going to get started putting it together. How's my driving? All right, so this, there's a ton of green. I got like 100 pack of this cardstock, and they had all these different colors, and there's only so much of each color. Got 3 different shades of green, 2 different shades of purple. So there's gonna be 3 pieces at each vertex, and each circle is gonna be made of 5 pieces. So this is kind of the base. Oh, wow. The poster board's good. Yeah. This is gonna be good. Okay. Let's go. Xander Pro has some really excellent diagrams on their website, which is, how I found this. Xander also has books out, which probably has even more good stuff in there. It's really nice having a book to reference. Like, when I was at Open Sauce, I had a modular origami book, and I kept popping it up. Is it here? It's this one. And I kept popping it open to describe, like, which geometric form my origami was talking about. It was just nice having this out and not having to, like, pull a phone out every time. It's feeling good. It's gonna hold. See, it's like wiggly. It's gonna hold. It's gonna be good. Indoor plumbing. It's gonna be big. Well, I have to crunch the pieces together to get them to hold. The colors look really cool. I thought they were gonna kind of suck, but I think it's neat. Let's do
1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, book this piece. Blue? Green? Blue? I guess we'll do blue.
Is that too similar? Oh, this is a blue piece. Blue. I keep getting discombobulated. I'm like, what am I? I have a feeling that this will not assemble and disassemble and reassemble very well, because I really have to, like, crunch the pieces together. Okay, we're doing it. It's all coming together. It's happening. This is one reason why I really love modular origami. When I first found origami, I kept taking these do-it-yourself books out of the library. It was like books on how to make stuff, how to make these crafts, and it had DIY in the title, which stood for do it yourself. A lot of the times you'd open these books and they'd be like, step 1, go buy this thing at the store to be a part of it. And it just, like, drove me crazy. It's like, you're not actually doing it yourself if you have to buy something. That's why I've always loved modular origami and origami in general. You just need paper. It's like my most affordable hobby. You don't need to go to the store. You don't need to order something online. Like, you have paper around. You've got sticky notes. You've got magazine pages. You've got paper. You've got printer paper. You've got newspaper, whatever. You can truly do it yourself. Wait, look at this. I think another reason why recently I've really been diving into modular origami is just when dealing with the big Furby, like, shipping it was so annoying because it was just like this absolute stupid behemoth. But modular origami, you can take it apart, you can fold it up real flat and put it back together, and it's huge. I like to make things that are big and impractical, but I like when you can collapse them. Now we're going up to the second level. I have exactly 8 pieces left. Each one is a different color. We're doing good. Can I twist it? Oh my god. No, it doesn't really like that. That's fine. So that goes there. Let's flip this around. Okay. Okay. Wait, do I have enough pieces? It's doing good. We're doing good. Wait, it's almost done. See this? It's almost finished. Okay. I'm getting a little bit nervous. This thing sort of seems to be collapsing on itself a little bit. I think once everything is assembled, it'll have more strength, but it is, I'm getting a little worried here. It's in here. All right, pull it around the bench, don't forget it. No, okay, once it's all assembled, it'll be structurally sound. It's just really unhappy in this moment. This is fine. Like, literally, to put these pieces together, it took me hours. It was like over like 4 or 5 days I folded all these pieces, but it doesn't work. It sucks. What is happening? Stop! No! What's wrong with this piece? This goes here, right? That goes there. This goes here. Oh my god. It just looks bad. I don't do this because it's easy, but I wish it was. What is wrong with this pink piece? This is totally unfolded. Is that what the problem is? Well, what incarnation is wrong here? I built it wrong. The reason it's so floppy is that this here, this is supposed to have 5 points, and I closed it in with only 4. I gotta undo some stuff. I'm gonna just open it up. Don't fall apart. I was fumbling the structure just a bit. There's 2 pieces left. It's almost done. I'm about to put the last piece in. Is it gonna, oh, it's floppy. Okay. Let's just turn it, see if that makes it hold. Oh my god, it does! It's done. It's done. Zoom out, zoom out. It's done. We did it. It looks okay. Okay, here it is. I did it. It's a little wobbly, but it's really pretty. Oh my god, it looks great. Oh my goodness. I'm not like in an exuberant mood because it seems kind of weak and it's like kind of buckling a little bit, but like it looks good. Doesn't really hold, but. Wait, look at that, look at this. It's got so much bounce. There's one corner that buckles. Well, it's done. There it is. This has come together pretty good, but I just think it sort of crumbles in one spot. It's like, it's some unmeasurable combination of the paper is so thick that it's weighing it down, but it's also not thick enough to hold it in a sturdy way. This particular model doesn't do great at a bigger scale, but I mean, I'm glad I tried. I mean, it's still cute. It's just a little jiggly. This is going okay. This hasn't gone like 100% perfect, not as good as the pink one, but I mean, it's holding together. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm not like 100% thrilled with it. It's not like the best thing in terms of structural stability, but it's cute, and I'm glad it's in my house. Most origami requires square paper. Most paper that exists in the world is rectangular paper. This is how you cut a rectangular piece of paper into a square. This corner, this 90-degree angle, we're gonna fold it in half. What you're gonna do is take a corner, pull it up so that this corner is flush with this side. So you're gonna pull it all the way out as far as it'll go. Hold it right there and crease it. So now we have a 45, 90-degree triangle. And we're just gonna cut off the extra paper. And what remains should be a perfect square. I'm gonna make 1 out of 20 units for the jitterbug. I actually already just folded 19 pieces, so this is the 20th. These are the instructions. That diagram's my only reference. So here's the shape we've created. All that's left is we need to squash down a corner or two. It's like an inside reverse squash fold. I will admit it's very tricky. I'm just gonna open it and inside reverse fold it. So now it's got just the pocket. I'm going to reverse squash fold or whatever it is I'm doing this corner as well. And then I like to crease it again once everything's in place. There's our piece. These are my 20 beautiful pieces. I am gonna be using these little hair clips. I get these so that when I curl my hair, I can pin the curl to my head until the curl cools down. It helps my curls stay in my hair longer. But today I'm gonna be using these little gatory clips to hold the pieces together. Once the thing is assembled, I will take these off. So these are just serving as clamps. Oh, it's a pretty good fit. Okay. And I'm gonna put the teeth facing the inside so they're less likely to damage what the thing looks like at the end. It's really neat how they work. Like they just slide into each other, and when you bend it, it just like keeps the pieces in place. All right, final moves, and then I have to do some creasing. Okay. I may need to tie this up like a turkey. Oh man. This is what I have. So it's not done. Ugh. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it. You know, I think there's a reason I've never attempted this model bigger before. Ugh. Oh man. I'll keep working on this. Next couple months, I'll crack it. I thought of something. Let me humbly present to you 8 units assembled. It's not looking good. Oh my god. Well, okay, I have not, maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know, I'm done. I've had enough of this. This is the pile that I'm leaving behind today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.